Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to block any application or programs on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So simply you need to go to your start or search window and type run, and after that open run, or else you can press Windows and R together to open run dialog box. After open run, you just need to type this command which is called wf.msc. Okay, after that you just need to press enter and it will open Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. So also you can open this window through your control panel. Simply go to your start, type control space panel, after that enter. After open control panel, view by you have to select large or small. I will select here large icons, and after that click on Windows Defender Firewall. After open Windows Defender Firewall, click on Advanced Settings from left side, and it will open the same Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Okay, now I'll close all this window. Now here, if you want to block any application or programs on your Windows 11, you have to create two rules. One is outbound rules, another one is inbound rules. First, I will create inbound rules. So I will select here inbound rules. Now click on new rules. After that, select here program. Okay. Now click on next. Here you just need to put the program path. Suppose I want to block Microsoft Edge in my case. So I'll go to my start window, type Microsoft Edge. After that, right click on Microsoft Edge and click on open file location. Once again, you have to click on right click on Microsoft Edge and click on open file location. After that, you will get the main location of your Microsoft Edge of your application. Now here you will see one application is showing, which is the main file of a Microsoft Edge, which is msedge.exe. If I'll go to the properties, you can see the proper name, application extension type is .exe, and the file name is msedge. So I have to block this application. So what I'll do is I will just right click on that msedge and click on copy as path. Now what you have to do, you just need to paste that location over here. After that, simply remove this quotation from start and end. After remove, click on next. You can also click on browse and select that location and select that file. So I will directly copy paste the location over here. Now click on next. Now here you just need to select block the connection. If you allow the connection, it will allow all the inbound rules. So I want to block, so I will click on block the connection. Now click on next. Now here make sure that you have checked these three options, which is domain, private and public, and click on next. Now rule name you have to put, you can put anything. So I will put over here like Edge browser, and after that click on finish. Once you have done, you just need to click on outbound rules. Once again, you have to click on new rule. Now select programs and click on next. After that, copy the path same way and paste it over here. And after that, remove this quotation from here. Now click on next. Now select here block the connection, domain, private and public. Make sure that I have checked this option. Now click on next. Same way you have to type Edge browser. So as you can see, I have created two rules, one outbound rules, Edge browser, another one is inbound rule, Edge browser. So now if I'll open Edge browser on my PC and try to open anything, let's see it's working or not. And as you can see, it is not working. So I hope this tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.